Hey everyone, welcome back. Does Meowdoku get stuck after you watch an ad for extra hearts or hints? Either freezes on a pause screen or throws you into a second ad that never lets you back into the game? This is a confirmed bug the developers are actively working on, and here's the workaround. First, if the ad freezes on its end screen, look closely for a tiny X or close button in a corner of the screen, since these are sometimes positioned oddly and easy to miss on certain ad formats. If there's genuinely no way to close it, you'll need to force close Meowdoku completely from your recent apps, since this is currently the only reliable way out of this specific glitch. Reopen Meowdoku afterward. Your puzzle progress should be still there thanks to the game's autosave feature. To reduce how often this happens, go to your settings app, then go to General, iPhone Storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find the Meowdoku app. Tap Offload app and reinstall the app fresh from the App Store once you offload it. Go to the App Store, search for the app. This will clear out a buildup of cached ad data that makes this glitch more frequent. Also, go to your settings app again, then go to General and Software Update and install any pending iOS updates, since outdated ad framework compatibility is a common trigger for ads not closing properly. So all you've gotta do is look for a hidden close button first, force close if there is none, and offload and reinstall to reduce how often this happens. Your progress is still saved, and that's it. Subscribe.